Here are the 5 reasons bakit mas maganda mag-invest sa gold. Sabi nila, money can't buy happiness. Pero bakit ang saya-saya ko tuwing may gold ako? So ito na ang reasons kung bakit kailangan mo mag-invest ng gold. Number 1, universal money. Anywhere in the world, gold has value. Kahit saan ka magpunta or kahit anong currency ang gamit nila, may worth ang gold. Parang ako lang, kahit saan magpunta, may dalang value. Charing! Number 2, the value increases over time. While other things decrease in price, gold keeps rising. Gold na binibili mo 10 years ago, mas mahal na ngayon. Parang self-worth mo, dapat mataas din. Number 3, tangible and something you can hold. Compared to the stock market and crypto, which are just numbers on a screen, gold is different. You can hold it, wear it, or even pass it down or ipamana. Literal na may kayamanan ka sa kamay mo. Number 4, protection against inflation. Habang pataas ng pataas ang presyo ng sibuyas, gasolina, at presyo ng love life mo, ang gold isa sa pinaka-safe na investment. It stays strong even when the economy is unstable. Number 5, it doesn't decay or get damaged. Unlike ibang investments na nagpa-fluctuate, gold steady lang, hindi kinakalawang, hindi naluluma. Timeless, just like me. Charot! Reminding you, kung gusto mo ng sureball or secure na investment, gold na yan. Huwag sa feelings. Sa gold tayo magtiwala.